Remember we promised sea lions? Well, they are here. Welcome back to Dive and Wonders and to Floreana, Part 2. If you haven't watched Part 1 yet, go back and check it out. You'll see the endemic blue nudibranchs, mysterious shark encounters, and why Floreana's first dive was like swimming through an aquarium. But now we are going into dive number 2, where the marine life got even more active, the encounters more intimate, and yes, those playful sea lions finally showed up. Let's dive back in. Dive 2, Floreana. We dived for 52 minutes and our maximum depth was 14 meters. After several days of diving, we found ourselves diving a bit behind the group, moving slowly and more relaxed. This gave us an incredible opportunity to examine the rocks closely and notice details others might have missed. We weren't glued to Byron, our dive master, like the others. Here's a 360-degree view of where we were at this point in the dive. When I was editing this footage, I realized just how beautiful this shot was. Look closely. There are actually multiple schools of fish here, each with different shapes and swimming patterns moving in coordination. And if you watch carefully, you'll spot a group of barracudas. Barracudas are apex predators, known for their fearsome appearance. Those sharp, fan-like teeth and torpedo-shaped bodies built for speed. They can swim up to 57 kilometers per hour at short notice. Despite their intimidating looks, barracudas are generally curious but not aggressive toward divers. They often school like this for protection during certain life stages, but larger adults tend to be more solitary hunters. A pretty turtle swimming away gracefully, but this one on the bottom seemed to be waiting for the camera to pose. And look closely, it's a male. You can tell by his elongated tail, which extends well beyond their rear flippers. Male sea turtles have longer tails than females because they host the reproductive organs. Females have much shorter tails that barely extend past their shells. The advantage of going slow when diving is that you get to see so many more details. Slowing down isn't just good philosophy for life, it's excellent for diving. When you are relaxed, you consume less air, extend your bottom time, and notice the incredible marine life happening all around you. What do we have here? A ray. Believe it or not, rays are closely related to sharks. Both are cartilaginous fish, meaning their skeletons are made of flexible cartilage rather than bone. This made them lighter and with more mobility in the water. Rays have evolved their flattened body shape for life on the ocean floor, where they hunt for prey hidden in the sand using electroreceptors called ampullae of Lonzerini. These sensors detect the electrical fields produced by living creatures, meaning rays can literally sense hidden prey without seeing them. We were used to seeing white-tip reef sharks lying motionless on the seafloor. It's their typical resting behavior. But these individuals were quite active. They may have been feeding or in hunting mode. White-tip reef sharks are primarily nocturnal hunters, but they do feed opportunistically during the day, especially in areas with abundant prey like this. Unlike many shark species that swim constantly to breathe, white tips can pump water over the gills while stationary, allowing them those characteristic resting periods we see often. We know this guy from before, right? A hieroglyphic hogfish, and a big one. These fish guard small territories fiercely. Males defend tiny home ranges and keep several females close, displaying a polygynous mating system. They are not aggressive toward us divers, but they will aggressively chase away other fish that enter their territory. A very well camouflaged scorpionfish. This is why you should always check where you put your hands before grabbing onto rocks for stability. It really looks like a rock. Scorpionfish have venomous spines along their dorsal fins that can deliver an extremely painful sting. They are masters of camouflage, blending perfectly with rocky and coral substrates. We were used to seeing groupers in the Mediterranean, so encountering one here in the Galapagos felt particularly special. A starry grouper, Epinephelus labriformis. Groupers are important apex predators in reef ecosystems, controlling populations of smaller fish and invertebrates. Many grouper species, including this one, are protogynous hermaphrodites. They start life as female and can change to males as they grow larger and older. This helps maintain breeding population by ensuring there are always males available when needed. We've been waiting for this moment for a while now. Sea lions. These playful, graceful swimmers are the Galapagos on the water ambassadors. Watch how this group that looks like a family of 3 or 4 comes and go, checking us out with curiosity. Quick note, these are sea lions, not seals. The main differences: sea lions have external ear flaps, can rotate their rear flippers forward to walk on land and have longer front flippers. Seals have no external ear flaps, must wiggle on their bellies on land, and have shorter forward flippers. Sea lions are also generally more social and vocal than seals. These guys were the best entertainment of the dive, or maybe we were the entertainment for them, but we needed to continue the dive. But no worries, they'll be back very soon. Either they follow us or this is another family group, but here they are again. Sea lions are incredibly intelligent and naturally curious. Young sea lions like this are especially playful and often approach divers to investigate. In the Galapagos, sea lions have no natural land predators and few in the water, which contributes to their bold, fearless behavior around humans. This is likely a blue-banded goby, a quick encounter since they were quite shy and fast-moving. Gobies are among the most diverse fish families, with over 2,000 species worldwide. These small bottom-dwelling fish often form symbiotic relationships with other marine animals, but these individuals seem to prefer keeping their distance from curious divers with cameras. So I was quite lucky to get these two in the shot for a few seconds. This might be the smallest turtle we encountered while diving so far, possibly a juvenile green sea turtle beginning its remarkable life journey. Green sea turtles can live 60 to 70 years and don't reach sexual maturity until they are 25 to 35 years old. This little one has a long adventure ahead. Here comes the sea lions again. The Galapagos Marine Reserves is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. When diving, maintain proper buoyancy, don't touch marine life, and always follow your dive master guidance to minimize our impact on these pristine ecosystems.
That's cool.
Yeah. Did you see the scorpion fish?
No. Wow, you see so much, but
Yes.
you were going very close to me.
Yeah. Two incredible dives at Floreana, each offering something unique and unforgettable, from the endemic blue nudibranchs to the playful sea lion families, from massive schools of fish to the quiet dignity of resting sharks. Floreana showcased everything that makes Galapagos a diver's paradise. But we have more adventures to come, so hit that subscribe button and let us know in the comments which encounter was your favorite. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and as always, happy adventures. The ocean is our shared treasure, and it's up to us to protect it for future generations.